First of all, we would like to pay our highest respect to teacher and everyone.
My name is Chai Sreipal.
My name is Vichon Kim Chin.
I am 11 years old.
I am 11 years old. We study at Skyline International School, the Clark campus, was Smart 1B. Today we are standing here to discuss one topic that talking about why we study English. Hello Sreipal, how are you?
Hi Kim Chin, I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. What is the best way of learning English?
The best way of learning English is practice speaking, listening, and write every day.
Why do you study English?
Because it is easy to find job and it is an important language.
What do you study English for?
I study English for communication with foreigner.
How long do you learn English?
Maybe 7 months.
Do you find English difficult?
Yes, it is rather difficult.
Thank you, Sreipal, for your answer. Finally, our conversation come to the end. Thank teacher and everyone for listen our conversation. Thank you. Bye bye.